We use vinyl and silkscreen stencils, which give you lots and lots of detail. They're adhesive backed and reusable, meaning I can make project after project after project. I fuzz this on a little cloth to diminish the stickiness of the back of it a little bit, and then I put it down on a surface. This happens to be a chalkboard or our boutique surface, and I'm just applying chalk paste. Yes, chalk paste, not paint. This is our specially formulated product that works perfectly with the silkscreen. So I'm just going to apply my different color pastes all over the silkscreen area of the transfer, and then when I'm done, I'll remove any excess paste, put the excess paste back into the jar, and then it's time for peel and reveal. Our stencils can be used on chalkboard, dry erase board, wood, metal, mirror, glass, ceramic, fabric, just about anything with a low nap. And on many surfaces like chalkboard, metal, mirror, or glass, if you make a mistake, just spritz it with water, wipe off, and do it again. If you can butter toast, you can chalk. Let me show you how.